Have you ever felt stuck as if your dreams are out of reach and wondered what it would take to completely transform your life within 6 months? Imagine waking up to a world where your goals are within your reach, your habits are in alignment with your dreams, and where your everyday feels purposeful. In today's video, we are going to explore some powerful steps to revolutionize your life. From resetting your mindset to adopting new habits, we are going to guide you on this journey of self discovery and growth. So, if you are ready to unlock your full potential and embrace the change you are yearning for, stay tuned. The first step in transforming your life within 6 months is to set clear and achievable goals. Without a clear destination, it is easy to lose direction and motivation. Here's how to do it. First, let's talk about clarity. Tony Robbins once said, clarity is power. You need a vision so clear that you can see it, feel it, touch it, and almost taste it. What you truly want to achieve. Picture your ideal life 6 months from now and feel the excitement of living it. Think about every detail, your career, health, relationship, and personal growth. Write it down. When your vision is clear, your path becomes unmistakable. You are the architect of your destiny, and it all starts with a clear blueprint. Now, here's the magic ingredient: focus. Bruce Lee once said, successful warrior is an average man with a laser like focus. In the next 6 months, choose just one or two goals to put your heart and soul into. Why? Because when you spread your energy too thin, you dilute your power. But when you focus, you become unstoppable. Imagine a laser beam. When diffused is just a harmless light, but when focused into a single intense point, it can cut through still. That's the power of focused effort. Choose one or two goals that is going to have a significant impact on your life and commit to them with unwavering determination. To maintain this focus, eliminate distractions. Social media and endless notifications are thieves of your precious time and energy. Ask yourself, is it bringing me closer to my goals? If not, it is time to let go and prioritize what truly matters. Break your goals into small and actionable steps. Create a schedule and stick to it. Dedicate specific times in a day to solely work on your goals. Review your progress regularly. Celebrate milestones, no matter how small. Reflect your journey regularly. Adjust your plans if necessary and keep your eyes on the prize. Clarity gives you direction and focus gives you power. Together, they create unstoppable momentum. Delayed gratification is the ability to resist the temptation of immediate reward in favor of later, often greater reward. First, identify your temptations. What typically distracts you from your goals? It could be binge watching TV shows, indulging in junk food, or scrolling through social media. Knowing these temptations help you to create strategies to manage them. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Next, set clear priorities. Determine what's important and let those priorities guide your decisions. When you're faced with a temptation, remind yourself of your long-term goals and why they matter more than immediate pleasures. Remember, the key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire and not on the things we fear. Mindfulness and self-control are key. When you feel tempted, pause, take a deep breath and think about the long-term benefits of delaying gratification. Visualize the success and rewards of your hard work and patience. Imagine how you'll feel when you achieve your 6 months goal. Now, let's talk about social media. It is one of the biggest sources of instant gratification and a major distraction. Limit your usage of social media by setting specific times of the day to check your account. Use apps that track and restrict your screen time and also helps you to stay disciplined. Addressing fear of missing out is crucial. Understand that social media often portrays an unrealistic highlight reel of people's lives. Remind yourself that focusing on your journey and your goals is far more rewarding than comparing yourself with people online. Embrace the joy of missing out on distractions that don't serve your growth. Comparison is, after all, the thief of joy. Taking action. It's the engine that drives progress. Setting goals and making plans are important, but without action, they remain dreams. You need to actively work towards your goal every single day. But here's the key. As you take actions, you're not just completing tasks, you are transforming who you are. Every action you take reinforces the identity you are building. Think about it. If you're working on becoming a healthier person, every workout you complete, every meal you choose reinforces the identity of a fit and health conscious person. As James Clear rightly said, every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. It is not about the actions themselves. It is about integrating those actions into your self-concept. An identity shift happens when you see yourself as a person who achieves your goals. It is about changing your self-image from someone who wishes to be fit to someone who is fit. This shift makes it easier to stay committed with your goals because now you are in alignment with your new identity. Act as if you do make a difference, and it does. To facilitate this identity shift, start to embrace the behaviors and mindset of the person you want to become. If you want to become a successful entrepreneur, think and act like one. Read books, network with other entrepreneurs, adopt habits that entrepreneurs practice. Success is not something you pursue, but it is something you attract by the person you become. Here's a practical tip. Visualize yourself as someone who has already achieved the goals you have set. Imagine that the actions that you are taking now are natural for this new version of yourself. This visualization can reinforce the new identity that you are working towards. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Tracking your progress is also essential. Documenting your achievements and reflecting on how your actions are in alignment with your new identity helps to solidify the change. It provides motivation and validates the transformation that you are undergoing because what gets measured gets managed. Remember, taking action and experiencing identity shift go hand in hand. Your actions shape who you are becoming, and your new identity makes it easier to continue taking those actions. Embrace this process and trust that each step you take is bringing you closer to your true self. The secret weapon for sustained progress is solid routine. It keeps you organized, manages your time effectively, and builds habits that drive you closer to your goals. Let's dive into how to create and maintain a routine that truly works for you. Start by designing a daily schedule that incorporates time for all your daily activities. Remember, the secret for future is hidden in your daily routine. Make your routine manageable and realistic. Avoid overloading your schedule with too many tasks as it will lead to burnout. Focus on few key activities each day that is going to have a significant impact on your goals. Develop a morning routine that sets a positive tone for your day. Start with activities that energize and motivate you, such as exercise, meditating, or journaling. A strong start can make rest of your day more productive and focused. The way you start your day determines how well you live your day. Use tools that help you to stick to your routine, such as planner, calendar, or habit tracking app. Be flexible and adjust your routine as needed. Life is unpredictable and sometimes you need to adapt. If something is not working, Don't be afraid to tweak your schedule and try new approaches until you find out what works best for you. Consistency is key, but don't be hard on yourself if you miss a day or two. The goal is to build a routine that supports your goal and fits into your lifestyle. Remember, it is the overall pattern of your behavior that leads to success and not perfection. Developing and sticking to a routine is all about creating a structure that helps you to stay organized, focused, and motivated. There will be days when things don't go as planned and challenges may seem overwhelming, but it's how you respond to these setbacks that determine your success. First thing that you should remember is setbacks do not define your journey. They are just part of it. Everyone encounters obstacles, but that does not mean that you are failing. View them as opportunities to learn and grow. Henry Ford rightly said, the only mistake that we make is the one from which we learn nothing. When you hit a roadblock, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself what went wrong, what you can learn from this situation, and how can you adjust your approach. This reflection helps you to stay on track and make necessary adjustments without losing momentum. Life's challenges are not supposed to paralyze you. They are supposed to help you to discover your true self. Resilience is key. It is about getting up after a fall and continue moving forward. Remind yourself why you started this journey and keep your long-term goal in your mind. Each setback is a chance to strengthen your resolve and deepen your commitment. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but rising every time we fall. Revisit your progress regularly and celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Lastly, be kind to yourself. Setbacks are a very normal part of growth and not a reason to give up. Practice self-compassion and remember that it's persistence and not perfection that leads to success. Albert Einstein once said, "You are not a failure until you stop trying." You have the power to change your life within 6 months. You have the strength to overcome any obstacle and you have the potential to achieve your goals. So rise to challenges and stay committed to your goals and let your transformation inspire others. Thank you for being part of my journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.